Minister, I just mentioned to him this was my second time in his office.
Thank
you very much.
We will meet them together in a few minutes.
Thank you.
He is no stranger to Canada. I had met him when he was an officer with the American government and working on the problems between Canada and the United States on the environment, and now he's coming back as the president of his country. As you know, we have a Canadian who is the president of Latvia, so the Americans have their president somewhat in the Canadian, in the Baltic countries. We had a very good discussion, and we want to work together to improve our relations and our trade relations in particular. Comme vous le savez, c'est un pays ami. Pendant 50 ans, nous n'avons pas eu de relations diplomatiques avec ce pays. Une population importante au Canada qui sont originaires de... A few words to our friend from the press.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prime Minister. To me, it's a very important visit because this is the first head of state's visit to Canada from Lithuania. I believe that's something like historical event. Like Prime Minister indicated, we have a very good relationship. I'm very happy that the Lithuanian-Canadian community here, which is about 50,000 strong, is active, and that contributes to better understanding between the two countries. I am looking here for continuous support from the Canadian government in our foreign relation goals, and that means our support to become a member of the NATO organization. We are looking for establishing the better trade exchanges between the two countries. I think this is not enough exploited area. There are a lot of opportunities, and I hope that the trade delegation, which is with me here in Canada, is going to establish a better relationship and probably explain the opportunities which could be utilized in our continuous work. So I'm delighted that I'm here, especially since I spent some times on the Great Lakes, which is important to Canada. And even I am a little bit further down from the Great Lakes now, but the Baltic Sea is just as important in Europe, and I'm going to use that experience, which I have experienced here in Canada and the United States. Thank you.
Introduce His
Morning.
Excellency,
Thank you very much for receiving us.
Oh, no, it's a great pleasure for me.
Thank you. May I introduce my wife?
Hello, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Phil Bowman from Protocol Office.
Nice to see you.
His Excellency Ambassador. Clerk from Canada.
Your Excellency, good morning.
How do you do?
Delighted.
Please take it to the hall.
Nice to meet you. I told you.
He did. He did.
The hallways are endless.
My wife? I don't believe you, but I am in Ottawa. I know that he is here. And is he still in the office? Or they said, yes, definitely he is. So I said, definitely I would like to at least a few minutes to chat and see how you are doing. What? Has a direct impact on our annual growth segment was about 7%. Žinoma, Kalgaris ir šiaurinis turas. Ir Yukoną teko pamatyti ir virš poliarinio rato. Tai buvo žavinga šią vasarą. Tai yra Kanados valdžios dovana kiekvienam ambasadoriui per terminą, reiškia, tą kelionę. Ir čia buvom, reiškia, deimantų kasyklose. Šinko kasyklose.
Šitos
Čia ne, čia kai išrinko antrą kartą jau. Čia pažįstate, aišku, gerai. Ta graži nuotrauka. Čia jūs gavot negatyvą ar perfotografavo ir iš to negatyvo, nes, žinoma, čia toks prezentas buvo. Balzekas čia padovanojo, jo, labai jau jis čia. Nu va, toks funkcionalus dalykėlis.
Ačiū.